Draw the pattern of electric field lines when a point charge minus q, electric field lines when point charge minus q is kept near uncharged conducting plate. Draw pattern of electric field. Draw pattern of electric field lines when point charge minus q is kept near an uncharged conducting plate. When placed near uncharged conducting plate. See, what does it mean? Huh? If this is uncharged conducting plate, uncharged conducting plate, here we have minus q charge placed near it. We want to draw pattern of electric field. How many of you can draw? Sahil?
Hello. Yes, sir.
Can you draw?
So positive to negative.
Positive कहाँ है बेटा?
So on the left side.
नहीं, देखो ये माइनस है ना, तो uncharged plate due to electrostatic induction near end will become positively charged. ये प्लस प्लस हो जाएगा, बराबर?
Yes.
And far end will become negatively charged. So now I have to show direction of electric field. Negative, say it will start from positive, it will start and go to the negative like this.
Yes.
From positive it will start, go to the negative. Negative minus q, negative, negative, negative. Here it will enter at negative. And this is also negative. Conductor is the perpendicular होगा ना ऐसा field, but inward. Hello? To the conductor it is perpendicular. So draw it such a way that it looks like perpendicular.
Yes.
Now draw this diagram. All last year's question I'm discussing from 2010 to 2020. Done? Shall I get next question? Manasvi, you followed this diagram?
Yes, sir.
ये खास करके आपके लिए पूरा बोर्ड का क्वेश्चंस कर रहा हूं. All 1 mark first, then 2 marks, then 3 marks, then 4 marks, and then 5 marks. Can I clear?
Yes, sir.
Next question. Draw a pattern of electric field. Draw pattern of electric field lines due to two positive charges placed at a distance d apart. Two positive charges placed at distance d apart. Electric field lines pattern due to positive charge placed at distance d apart. Tell how to do. Both are positive. That means it will give outward. Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
So if two positive charges are equal in magnitude, then please try to draw same number of lines. It should not be less or more. So if you draw here one line, second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line, sixth line, seventh line, eighth line, 10th line, ninth and 10th. 10 line for first one. So same way for this also you draw same 10 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Understood both? If you draw here 10, here also 10. Here 12, here also 12. Here 2, here also 2. All going outward because two charges are positive. Sakshi? Hello, Sakshi?
Yeah, sir.
Two positive charges are given. We want to draw pattern of electric field. Electric field lines are outward for positive charge. Both are positive. They will not intersect. So this way I have drawn 10 on one, 10 on other. They are separated by distance d. Everybody
Okay,
has
sir.
followed this pattern? Please draw. Study seriously. This Sunday I will give you test on two chapters, electrostatics. That means in fact three chapters. Earlier also I told. Electric field and charge. Second one capacitance and potential. Third is current. ये तीन हम लोग इस वीक तक पूरा खत्म कर देंगे. If done, then third question I'm writing. Done, na?
Yes.
Third question. Draw the pattern of electric field lines due to an electric dipole. What is electric dipole? What is meaning of electric dipole? Hello? Meaning of electric dipole?
Having two charges.
Two equivalent
Equal and
opposite
opposite
charges.
charges at a finite small distance.
Yes. That means if this charge, you take negative, this charge positive, separated by finite distance, this becomes electric dipole. So from positive field will start and go to the negative. It will start from positive and go to the negative. Correct, na? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Just draw it now. Pattern of electric field for this. Fourth question, why do the electrostatic field lines not form closed loop? Why do electrostatic field lines do not form closed loop? Answer, write down. The electrostatic field lines, answer I am writing, the electrostatic field lines do not form closed loop because electric field lines do not exist inside charged body. Electric field line do not exist inside charged body. Fifth question. Two equal balls having equal positive charge q coulombs. Two equal balls having equal positive charge q coulombs are suspended. Two equal balls, actually they should have given identical balls, having equal positive charge q coulombs are suspended by two insulating strings of equal length. What would be the effect on the force when plastic sheet is inserted between the two? What will be the effect if plastic sheet is inserted between the two? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So can I say when plastic sheet is inserted between the two, then dielectric constant of medium greater than 1 is inserted between the two?
Yes, sir.
So first line like this, when two identical balls are equally charged are in air, then by Coulomb's law, what will be force between them? By Coulomb's law, force of repulsion between them. क्वेश्चन का पार्ट थोड़ा रफ करता हूँ. Force of repulsion between them force of repulsion between them. Can I say it is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q square upon r square or kq square upon r square, one and the same?
Yes, sir.
So F equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q square upon r square. When plastic sheet is introduced, then F dash will be 1 upon 4 pi k epsilon naught q square upon r square. Correct now? Hello?
Awesome.
So what will be F dash upon A? F dash upon A 1 upon k or not? Rest all will get cancelled, only 1 upon k will be left out. So can I say F dash is F upon k, but k is greater than 1, therefore F dash will be less than F. Hello? Hello?
Awesome.
So what will be final answer? Thus the magnitude of force will be reduced. Everybody is followed? When two identical balls are equally charged in air, then force is q square upon r. But plastic sheet, then q, everything is same, k extra will come in denominator. When you divide, you will get k extra in denominator. But k is greater than 1 for insulator. So F dash will become less than F. So can I say the force, magnitude of force will be reduced? Hello? Hello?
Awesome.
Just copy it in this, then last line I am dictating. Thus magnitude of force will decrease. Final answer, thus magnitude of force will decrease. Can I rub this now? Hello, can it be cleared? Written till last line.
Yes, sir.
Sixth question. Why do the electric field lines never cross each other? If electric field lines cross each other, then we have two direction of field at same point, which is not possible. This already we have discussed earlier, if you are remember. That means if lines cross each other, then we can draw two tangent at the same point to the two curve. So electric field lines cannot be directed at two direction at same point. Hence they are not intersecting. If lines cross each other, we have two direction of field at same point, which is not possible. Hence, they never cross each other. Write the answer. Done? Shall I clear it? Next. Why must electrostatic field at the surface of a charged conductor be perpendicular to every point on it? Why must electrostatic field at the surface of charged conductor be perpendicular to every point on it? Answer right down. Why it should be perpendicular? Important question. As electric field inside conductor is always zero. Electric field inside conductor is always zero. The electric lines of force exerts lateral pressure on each other. Pressure means force on each other, which leads to repulsion between like charges. Okay, please copy till this. Two more lines are there. If this is charged conductor inside charge, then it will be always normal y that we have to explain, because there can't be any field inside. So they apply pressure like this. So equal opposite must cancel each other to stabilize everything. That is the reason why it is perpendicular. So as electric field inside conductor is always zero, the electric lines of force exerts lateral pressure on each other, which leads to repulsion between like charges. Please copy till this. Can I clear this right up? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Done.
Thus, in order to stabilize spacing, the electric field lines are normal to the surface, so that net effect will be zero actually. In order to stabilize spacing, electric lines are normal to the surface. Two point charges Q1 and Q2 are placed at a distance d apart as shown in figure. 2-point charges Q1, Q2 are placed at a distance d apart as shown in the figure. Figure I am drawing. The electric field intensity is 0 at point P on line joining them. Electric field lines are is 0 at a point P on line joining them as shown. Write two conclusions that you can draw from this. Charge Q1, Q2 separated by distance t. P is a point where electric field intensity is 0. Write two conclusions that you can draw from this. Can anybody tell anything regarding the nature of charge? Yes, Akshay? Both the charges are positive or negative?
I
See,
think positive.
no, just listen. If two charges are both positive, both negative, then intensity is 0 in between somewhere. Na? This I have discussed with you all.
Yeah.
एक मिनट पूरा रब करता हूँ अभी क्या बोला है ध्यान से. Suppose this is positive charge, this is positive charge. Somewhere here intensity is 0. Is it possible? Positive charge will give intensity in outward. This Q2 will also give like this outward. So it can become 0 if their magnitude becomes same. Same way if it is negative, negative. Then at this point, first wale ka inward E1, second wale ka inward E2, still they will cancel each other if magnitude is same. But if both are, one is positive, one is negative. So in between, iska outward, iska inward, they will add, no?
Yeah.
So if we are getting intensity 0 at a point outside the line joining two charges, what conclusion we can draw? That
One is positive, one is negative.
so first conclusion we can draw, the two charges are opposite in nature. किसका नजदीक में रहता है? जिसका मैग्नीट्यूड कम होता है ना. Intensity is 0 आउटसाइड क्लोज टू द मैग्नीट्यूड स्मॉलर वाला चार्ज। तो Q1 का मैग्नीट्यूड ज्यादा, Q2 का स्मॉलर। ये एमसीक्यू के लिए भी हेल्प करेगा आपको। समझ में आ गया मीनिंग? व्हाट कंक्लूजन? फर्स्ट, द टू चार्जेस आर opposite in nature. ये पहला कंक्लूजन। Now P is close to Q2, so the magnitude of Q2 is less than magnitude of Q1. I think you followed now. Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, right answer. Two conclusion, two charges are opposite, magnitude of Q2 is less than magnitude of Q1.
But sir, what would it be if the magnitudes were the same?
If magnitudes were same, then it will be exactly above either Q2 or Q1. Then it
Okay.
won't be separated. It will be somewhere either on Q2 or on Q1. Written?
Yes, sir.
Next question, 9th now. Define dipole moment of an electric
Marks?
dipole moment of an electric dipole. Is it a scalar quantity or vector quantity? Everybody should know this answer. Second part, it is vector quantity. Aryan Purandare, it is directed from where to where? Yes, Aryan Purandare. This is directed from where to where? Dipole moment, electric dipole moment. Sahil?
Yes, sir.
From where to where electric dipole moment is directed?
Uh, uh,
मेरा
Not
बज
to
रहा है। शानू एक सेकंड इधर आ।
Negative charge to positive charge.
मेरा फोन उधर उसमें फोन तूने
Yes, sir.
किधर रखा मेरा?
Negative charge to positive charge. So first definition of
आपके
electric
हाथ से क्या
dipole.
हुआ?
Electric dipole moment is defined as product of any one charge forming electric dipole and finite distance between them. Therefore, P bar equals to Q into 2A. A is distance, 2A bar. Charge is a scalar quantity. 2A bar. Or in magnitude, we can say P equals to Q into 2A. And next line, it is a vector quantity directed from where to where? Directed from negative charge to positive charge. Please write full answer. And directed from negative charge to positive charge. It is a vector quantity directed from negative charge to positive charge. Completed? Yes, completed.
Hmm. Yeah.
Yes.
Next question. Draw a plot showing the variation of electric field E with distance R due to point charge Q. Plot showing variation of electric field with distance R from point charge Q. You all know this direction? From point charge, if this is R distance, this is intensity E. E ka formula is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. That means it will be directed like this. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Right. Draw this diagram. Done. Then next question I'm giving.
Yes, sir, done.
एक second. It is showing last USB device which you have connected is malfunctioned. Eleventh one. A proton is placed in a uniform electric field. A proton is placed in a uniform electric field directed along the positive x-axis. In which direction will it tend to move? A proton is placed in uniform electric field directed along positive x-axis. This is direction of electric field. Positive x-axis means directed in the right direction. Proton means which charge? Positive or negative?
Positive.
So what is direction of force acting on positive charge?
Repulsive.
No, if charge is positive, Q is positive, then force acting on this will be in the direction of this, no? QE.
Right.
So which direction it will tend to move? It will tend to move in right direction. Will tend to move in the direction of field, that is right. In the direction of field, that is along positive axis, right? Positive axis, rightful. Negative, then it will go ulta. Positive, then in the direction of field. Done? Can I clear it now? Well, in which orientation a dipole, in which orientation a dipole placed in a uniform electric field is in first stable equilibrium, second unstable equilibrium. Already I have explained you all this. So first one, stable equilibrium, and second is unstable equilibrium. That means if this is direction of field, E bar, E bar, for stable equilibrium, angle between dipole and E is 0. So this must be negative charge here. This must be positive charge. So that angle between P bar and E bar is 0. Here, this must be negative, and here which may be positive. So angle between P and E should be 180. So in this case, force is acting in the direction here. In the direction, here it will be in the direction means this way inward, the opposite inward. Draw the diagram. Everybody has followed first concept. For stable, P bar is from minus to plus. That must be in the direction of E bar. So angle between them is 0. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Draw then properly. In first case, plus Q is in the direction on the right side, minus Q on left. Second case, plus Q on the left and minus Q on the right. Chalo, shall I rub now?
Sir.
This question I am writing, I feel you all will be knowing how to solve. 2 point charges having equal charges separated by 1 meter distance experiences a force of 8 Newton. What will be the force experienced by them if they are held in water at same distance? K water equals to 80. You all try. Let me see whether you can do or not. Force in medium is force in air upon K. So force in water will be force in K air upon K in water.
0.1 Newton.
Pardon?
0.1.
Correct. 1 upon 10, 0.1 Newton. Correct. 0.1 Newton. 0.1 Newton. Next. 14. A metallic sphere is placed in a uniform electric field as shown in the figure. Which path is followed by electric field lines and why? Is the metal sphere, one field line given, A. This also we have discussed. Second field line, B. Third field line, C. And fourth field line, which is the correct option?
Second one.
Which one you said?
Second.
No, second it is not true because the electric field line cannot pass through conductor ना.
So it is over the, you know.
हाँ पर वो ओवर, लेकिन दोनों देखो कैसे परपेंडिकुलर नहीं दिख रहा है ना आपको.
Okay.
So electric field line inside the intensity is 0. So D correct है ना. And also they are perpendicular to the surface. See? Hello?
Yeah, sir.
Right.
Okay.
Right. Path D is followed by electric line. Path D is followed by electric field line because electric field intensity. Path D is followed by electric field line because electric field intensity inside metallic sphere is 0. Electric field inside metallic sphere is 0. Also, electric field lines are perpendicular to the surface of conductor. Perpendicular to the surface of conductor. Perpendicular to the surface of conductor. Done? Next.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Point out whether the following statement is right or wrong. Statement is right or wrong. The mutual forces between two charges do not get affected by presence of other charge. Is it correct or incorrect? Force between two charge do not get affected by other charge. Hello? The statement is right or wrong? If this is charge Q1, this is charge Q2. So between these two charge force, will it affect by the neighboring charges or not?
Yes, sir.
No, it is not affected. Na? See, Q1, Q2 का तो वही force रहने वाला है 1/4 pi epsilon Q1, Q2 by R square.
Sir.
So this
No effect.
statement is right because by Coulomb's law, F is proportional to Q1, Q2 upon R square. हो गया. It is independent of third charge. So answer is statement is right because by Coulomb's law, F is proportional to Q1, Q2 upon R square. It is independent of third charge. Okay. Hello. Done.
Yes.
Now 2 marks questions we are discussing. Derive expression for electric field due to dipole of moment P at a point on perpendicular bisector. Consider electric dipole consisting of equal and opposite charge minus q plus q of length 2l, OB the center, therefore OA equals to OB equals to L. P is point on perpendicular bisector at any point. Dipole moment is given P. This is P, so I'm writing point here Q. So if you join this, what is direction of field due to positive charge? Is it outward? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So this will be due to positive charge E1. This is suppose E2. फिर ये पैरेलल बनाओ, ये थीटा, ये थीटा, ये भी थीटा, ये भी थीटा, इसका दो कंपोनेंट E1 का, upward one is E1 sin theta and this is E1 cos theta. Same way for this E2 sin theta, E2 cos theta. Diagram you have followed? Hello, diagram everybody has followed?
Yes, sir.
Please draw diagram. Diagram drawn.
Yes, sir.
Will you refer the notes which I have given so that I can proceed ahead? Or you want me to explain again? Yes, all the students I'm asking. You want me to explain this again or you can refer the notes? Be frank, tell fast.
Explain again, sir.
Okay. See. Consider electric dipole consisting of charge minus q plus q at point A and B separated by distance 2. Write down. Consider an electric dipole consisting of charges plus q comma minus q at A and B separated by distance 2L. Let O be the center of dipole. O is center of dipole. Therefore, OA equals to OB equal to L. Next line. Let Q be a point at a distance R from center O on perpendicular bisector. That means it is also called equator on perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. Draw AQ, BQ. AQ, BQ. This is R. Therefore, AQ equals to BQ equal to root of R square plus L square. So, written everything till this? Next line. Therefore, measure angle QBS equals to QBA equals to QAB equal to theta. This angle is theta, theta. Intensity at Q due to charge at A, E1 equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon root of R square plus L square the whole square. So E1 equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q square upon R square plus L square. It is directed outwards. So intensity for one charge is E1 directed outward. Intensity at Q due to charge minus Q at B, E2 is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q upon R square plus whole the square. Sorry, R square plus L square equation 2. Directly root and square I vanished. It is directed inwards. So E2 is directed inwards like this. E2. Now can I rub everything? Yes, Sahil?
Yes, sir.
रब कर दो पूरा. E1, E2 can be resolved into two rectangular components. Okay, as shown. Shortcut करवा कर देते as shown. But E1 sin theta and E2 sin theta are equal and opposite. Hence, they cancel each other. Hence, they cancel each other. Therefore, resultant intensity, E will be E1 cos plus E2 cos theta. Since E1 is same as E2, so E will become 2 times E1 cos theta. Please complete till this. E is 2 times E1 cos theta. Can I clear this from the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So E becomes 2 times E1 is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q R square plus L square. What is cos theta from the figure? Can anybody tell? It is adjacent side L upon hypotenuse root of R square plus L square. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q into 2L upon R square plus L square raised to 3 by 2. Correct now? But P is Q into 2L, which is called electric dipole moment. Therefore, E becomes 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P upon R square plus L square raised to ये स्क्वायर नहीं है, गलती से स्क्वायर मत कर देना, P upon R square plus L square raised to 3 by 2. Copy till this. Since dipole is short, therefore L is very small than R. So L square can be neglected. Equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P upon R square raised to 3 by 2. Equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P upon R cube. In vector form, E and P are here oppositely directed because E was here and P is directed like this, negative to positive. So it will be minus of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon P bar upon R cube. Completed? Hello?
Yes, sir. Completely.
Yeah. Next one. अभी देखो ये सब ना प्लीज रिवाइज करते जाना, तो संडे में टेस्ट इसके बाहर का नहीं दूंगा आपको, जितना भी रिवाइज हुआ उतना ही दूंगा, सो दैट टू चेक सबको फुल मिल रहा है क्या मार्क, नथिंग न्यू. So today, Wednesday, Friday, mein whatever I explain you, I will give you exactly on that only. Next question, right? It is numerical. Right. And 17, sorry, 17. An electric dipole of length 4 centimeter when placed with its axis making an angle of 60° with uniform electric field experiences torque of 4 root 3 Newton meter. Calculate the potential energy of dipole if it has charge of plus minus 8 nanocoulomb. If it is charge of plus or minus 8 nanocoulomb. The question, can I rub this question? An electric dipole of length eta. Electric dipole of length means actually it is 2L or 2A, it is up to you what you are taking. So if you take standard 2A is given as 4 centimeter, which is 4 into 10 raised to minus 2. It is placed with its axis making 60° with the electric field. So theta is 60°, correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What is torque experienced given? Torque
Mm.
4 root 3 Newton meter.
4 root 3 Newton. And charge is 8 nanocoulomb. Na? So if I take one charge, magnitude is 8 nano. Nano means 10 raised to minus 9. What we have to find?
Potential energy.
Potential energy denoted by V. To get potential energy, we require electric field. So first torque formula is PE sine theta. Are you aware of this torque formula? Hello?
Yes, sir.
And P is nothing but 2AQ into E into sine theta. So from this E equals to torque upon 2AQ into sine theta. Torque is 4 root 3. 2A is 4 into 10 raised to minus 2. Q is 8 into 10 raised to minus 9. And cos 30 root 6 cos 60 root 3 by 2. Root 3 I can cancel. 4 I can cancel. 2 into 4. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So this becomes 1 upon 4 into 10 raised to 11. है ना? That is 10 upon 4 into 10 raised to 10. So E became 2.5 into 10 raised to 10 Newton per coulomb. Yeah, first copy till this. potential energy comma P dot E or U equals to minus PE cos theta if the body is stationary at that position. So P is 2AQ, E we got into cos theta. So it will be minus 2A 4 into 10 raised to minus 2 Q 8 into 10 raised to minus 9. E we got 2.5 into 10 raised to 10 and into cos 60. That will become 2.5 into 4 is 10. So minus 10 into 8 into cos 60 half into 10 raised to minus 1. That will become minus 4 joule. This is the answer, minus 4 joule. If you complete, tell me. Huh?
Done, sir.
Everybody is done?
Yes, sir.
Total how many questions we did today? I think 18, na? 18 or 19?